Sam here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to make yourself a quick omelette in the microwave using a mug. Yes, really, a mug. The idea is that any standard mug that you've got, or you could use a soup bowl if you prefer, you load everything into your mug, you microwave it, and then you've got an omelette. It's great because it's so easy. It's perfect for busy, stressful mornings as well, or even when you kind of think, oh, I forgot about lunch, I'm starving, what can I have? So it's one of those. What you need to make an omelette in the microwave. So, cheese. Obviously I'm not going to use that much cheese, I've just grabbed the bag out of the fridge. We've got some mixed herbs and salt and pepper for seasoning. And then I've got a couple of eggs. I've got some leftover chicken that I cooked in the air fryer. And I've got a little bit of milk as well because I love my eggs with a bit of milk because it gives it a lovely omelette flavour. And then also the butter. The butter is brilliant because it helps stop with you having a mug to scrub out afterwards. So you can use the butter as your non-stick. So let me move everything out of the way and we can get the microwave going. First of all, we're going to start with just the mug and some butter. Not a lot of butter, you don't need a lot. Just a few little bits. About that much there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to melt the butter first. So, mug in your microwave, power on, and then you're looking for your 10 seconds and then press start. And then in the meantime, you can just see if there's any chopping that you need doing. You can do the omelette with any of your favourite omelette toppings. So if you think mushrooms, spinach, some leftover bacon, some peppers, some tomatoes, you name it, you can do it. And then we can see how this is coming along. Not quite melted yet. So I recommend you do it in 10-second intervals until it's melted. Actually, there is a 15 seconds on my microwave. So it's almost melted now. So that's enough to do the job with. So then you want to grab your favourite pastry brush and then just give it a brush up the sides. And then it's ready for you to start to add in your other ingredients. So, start by cracking in some eggs. I'm doing a 2-egg omelette. You can do a 1 egg. If you're on a diet, you can do a white egg omelette if you prefer. It's totally up to you. With a fork. And then I've got some milk here that I've just bought. I just like a little bit of a splash of milk in there. A little bit of milk, stir it again, and then I find it easy to add in your seasonings right now. So add in a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then some mixed herbs or whatever seasoning you want. You can do any flavour you want. I've got a favourite Caribbean herb that I like to get from M&S, and often I use that in mine. So then give it another stir. So then tilt it to one side so you can get it all in. So that is like doing a plain omelette. So if you want to flavour it up, now is the time to add in your extras. Just getting rid of the egg yolk. What I have is I cooked some frozen chicken breast in the air fryer the other night. So I've got a few little bits of chicken left over here. So what you can do is you can slice up or break up whatever you want to add in. I love how moist chicken is when it's cooked in the air fryer so it doesn't dry out in your omelette. So that's enough chicken there. And let's get this bag of cheese open. And then you can add as much cheese or as little as you want. Let's just add a bit of cheese in the top there. Then give it a stir again so the cheese is underneath. And then take out your fork, and now this is ready to go back in. So So now the omelette has been mixed, we can get it going in the microwave. I mean, it wasn't that easy just to add a few things to a little mug. So in it goes. And considering microwaves are big, if you wanted to do his and hers, you could double up the batch and cook both at the same time in the microwave. It's totally up to you. So we're going with 3 minutes, full power, and then press start. So it's nearly ready. Oh, that was a quick beep. I wasn't quite ready for that. So there you go, that is your omelette in the microwave. I mean, isn't that fantastic? I just love a microwave omelette. And then, you're not here with me right now, apart from the poor hubby Don. I absolutely love this garlic mayo. And whatever your sauce is of choice, shove some on top, grab your fork, and you're ready for cooking. And before I give the troll start, yes, it is a clean fork and it hasn't got the raw egg on it. It's not the same one. And then also, something else that needs mentioning is if you've got a small mug, you'll only be able to do 1 egg in it because it does rise up and you can end up with the spillages down the side like you see with a lot of mug cake pictures. So if you are using a smaller mug, bear this in mind. And then if you want the ideal size, it's like one of those really big dad mugs. They're really good for omelettes in there. But like I said, you can use a dish as well if you prefer. You know, but it's so nice to just grab a mug out the cupboard, crack in your eggs and your favourite flavours, and you've got a quick omelette to feed yourself when you're in a rush. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.